Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Samsung phone runs One UI with current updates and has at least 20% charge so the process won't abort. Once done, enable a secure screen lock because cloned apps inherit credential protections. Now open Settings, go to Advanced Features, and tap Dual Messenger or App Cloning. This is where you control duplicates. You're starting the clone, so select the app you want to clone from the list. That's the first actionable move to create a second instance. After enabling the app toggle, wait briefly while the system installs the cloned instance. This creates an isolated app container. Next, customize the clone. Rename it in the app drawer if the option appears, then adjust notifications and permissions separately so behaviors don't overlap. Make sure to sign into the clone with your alternate account. This is why cloning works, separate data stores. Finally, launch critical features like messaging or sync to confirm the clone operates independently and saves data correct. To finish, place the cloned app on your home screen or send it into secure folder to keep it separated. Make sure background permissions are set so notifications arrive reliably. If the clone crashes or fails to sign in, first clear cache and data for the cloned app. If that fails, uninstall the clone and repeat the cloning steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if accounts conflict, use Secure Folder to isolate the second instance. It often resolves permission or sync issues without deeper system change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.